My name's Natalie Matthewman and I'm an Early Years Project Officer here at Loughborough University within the School of Sport, Exercise and Health Sciences. Getting off to an active start is really important, and that actually does start from birth. So there's lots of reasons for that, from brain development to improving social skills through things like learning to play cooperatively with other children, about fair play, following instructions. We also know that active children are more likely to become active adults. There's lots of evidence there that in adulthood physical activity is beneficial for things like heart disease, cancer prevention, depression, reducing depression. There's lots and lots of evidence there, and if you start off early, get into good habits at a really young age, it's much more likely to follow through into adulthood. There's lots that parents can do. So the Chief Medical Officers recommend that children are active for at least 3 hours a day from when they can walk up to the age of 5, and that they minimise sedentary behaviour as well. So try and reduce the amount of time that you're sitting in car seats and buggies, that sort of thing. And there's lots of ways you can do this. So it doesn't have to be like a structured exercise class or anything like that. It can just be incorporating more physical activity into daily routines. So when you go to the shops, if it's just a short distance, try to just walk with them instead of taking the buggy. If it is longer and you do need to take the buggy, you can just get them out for, 5 minutes for a bit of a walk. Just little things like that really build up throughout the day. In the home, you can do nursery rhymes, make them a bit more active. So if you're doing something like row, row your boat, you can actually do the actions. Chasing bubbles, using simple equipment like cardboard boxes to build big towers and things like that, running about in the garden. There's absolutely loads that parents can do that don't have to actually detract from the other things that you need to do in your life. Because physical activity is really important for children in the early years, we developed a training course called Early Movers. This is actually aimed at practitioners like nursery staff, and it looks at how you can incorporate the 3 hours of physical activity into what you're already doing within nursery, and how you can teach things like numeracy and literacy and all the other things that nursery practitioners have to do, but just in a slightly more active way.